If you've been looking for ways to speed up your hair growth, you have to make this rosemary hair grease. It's so easy to do. All you need is some organic rosemary. I'm doing 2 spoons of dried rosemary, but I'm also adding in some fresh rosemary. And then you'll need some organic coconut oil. I'm doing about 4 spoonfuls. Then I'm just going to put that bowl over a pot of boiling water, and immediately you can see it's already melting down. And I'm just going to keep stirring until it's fully melted like this. Now I'm just adding in some Pure Magic Naturals hair growth oil, and when I tell you, my house smells amazing. And while the mixture is still warm, I transfer to my Ninja cup and start blending until I got this consistency. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and strain. I like to use a stocking. You could use a cheesecloth if you like, and I'm just squeezing out all that goodness. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour that mixture inside of my jars. If you don't have jars at home, you could just use like a small bowl or something. And then we're going to refrigerate this for about 45 minutes to an hour. And once our mixture has cooled, we now have an organic hair grease without the petroleum and mineral oils. And it smells so good, like so good. So I'm just taking my hair down, and I'm going to start finger detangling, then dampen my hair with water. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply that hair grease directly to my scalp and to the lengths of my hair. And I'm just going to repeat that process throughout my whole head. And I'm also massaging that directly into my scalp. And for those who believe there's no products that can make your hair grow, that's not true. There was actually a study done in 2022 that rosemary had the same effect on hair growth as minoxidil, which is a hair growth medication. So now I'm just going to go sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes, or you could just leave this in overnight. And once I rinsed it out, my hair never felt better.